Hi, I'm Emily from Grace Homes, here at Sysonby Lodge on the outskirts of Melton Mowbray to show you around our last 2 remaining conversions. Sysonby Lodge offers a real variety with these 9 conversions. By combining energy efficiency design and technology with 18th century architecture, you get a perfect fusion of historic charm and contemporary living. Sysonby Lodge really is a beautiful Grade 2 listed building. With 2 unique properties available, let's go and take a look. Both properties offer flexible living over either 2 or 3 floors and are finished to an exceptionally high standard. With high ceilings, sash windows and underfloor heating throughout, each property benefits from cost-effective heating via an air source heat pump and an exceptional specification included as standard. In addition to this, each conversion has fully fitted flooring throughout. What really sets these conversions apart is the exceptional views of the Sysonby Lodge development itself. Each conversion is completely unique, but both have great features such as sky lanterns to flood spaces with natural light, high ceilings and French doors which open out onto a private outside courtyard space. What I really love about these conversions is the open plan living with multi-aspect windows giving you plenty of daylight and a great space for entertaining family and friends. The high specification continues in here with high-end appliances offering you a complete modern day kitchen. Each of these lovely homes are completed with 2 great size double bedrooms, with the principal bedroom offering fitted wardrobes as standard. So that completes the tour, and I hope you'll agree that the conversions here at Sysonby Lodge have been sympathetically restored to give the high-end specification we hope to achieve here at Grace Homes. For more information or to arrange a viewing of these beautiful conversions, please contact us on the details below.